Good afternoon, my fellow YouTubers. As you know, I am new to this. I just made a video of a tutorial that everybody's been asking for from my group page. Got it all done, 30 some minutes. Went to upload it onto YouTube, and it's showing up the wrong way on the screen. Does anybody, I do need help. Does anybody know a totally free editing program that doesn't cost anything to use that I can use, like to flip the video so it's the right way, try to mirror it because I'm left-handed, make it a right-handed video. I'm at my wit's end. I've been working on it since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's driving me nuts. So if anybody can help, please leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it. I don't know where else to turn. I don't know anything about editing or anything, of that nature. So if you would, please reach out and give me some suggestions. I would appreciate it. And while you're there, could you please hit subscribe and like? That would help my numbers get up there too. I appreciate it. You have yourself a good day, and I'll be talking to you again. You all take care. Bye.